So 9th and 10th class students, yesterday we learned some basic definitions from polynomial. Today also I am going to continue the class. Zero of a polynomial. The zero of a polynomial p of x is the value of x at which p of x becomes zero. It means if p of x is equal to 0, it means p of x means polynomial in variable x. Then x is called the zero of the given polynomial. So to find the zero of the given polynomial, we have to equate the polynomial to 0. For example, find the zero of 2x plus 5. Here one polynomial. What is that 2x plus 5? Find the zero of 2x plus 5. To find the zero of that solution, let p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. What I said? To find the zero of a polynomial, first you have to equal to 0. Let p of x is equal to 0. It means 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is called the zero of given polynomial. Verification. What is the p of x is equal to 2x plus 5? So 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So, first to find the zero of a polynomial, first you have to equal to 0. Then after find the value of x. Here x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So, minus 5 by 2 is called the zero of the given polynomial. Students, I am moving to 2.1 exercise. Here is the first bit. Find the degree of each of the polynomial given below. Here total 6 questions are there. So, from that 6 I am going to explain 3 questions. Remaining you have to complete, you have to take as a homework. For example, in this, what is the first question? Find the degree of x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. Already we know the definition. What is the meaning of degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable from the polynomial. Here what are the variables? X and x are the variables. So in this, which one have highest power? So 5 is the highest power. So degree of this polynomial is nothing but, here what is the degree? Degree is 5. So similarly, second question. In that second question, x square plus x minus 5. Here what is the power of the x? 2. So highest power is 2. So degree of this polynomial is nothing but 2. Similarly, what about that question? It is 5. 5 means, so beside of 5 there is no variable. It means that is a constant term. Already explained. Degree of the constant term is 0. So 5 we can write as 5 into x power 0. So here degree is nothing but 0. Next, fifth one. 4 minus 5 square. In this, what is the variable? Y is the variable. So what is the power of the y? 2. So degree is equal to 2. Here is the second bit. In second bit, we have 6 questions. Which of the following expressions are polynomials or in one variable? First, you have to check whether that is a polynomial or not. If polynomial, it is in one variable or two variables, you have to say. Solutions. What is the first question here? 3x square minus 2x plus 5. 3x square minus 2x plus 5. First of all, it is a polynomial. Why? Because here variables have integral powers. Means the powers of variables are integers. So it is a polynomial. And what is the variable here? Only x is a variable. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable. Now move to second question. What is the second question? square plus root 2. X square plus root 2. It is a polynomial in one variable. Now third question. What about third question? P square minus 3p plus q. See here, p is one variable and q is also one variable. So if the two variables are there, it means it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial but not in one variable. Now move to fourth question. What is the fourth question? Y plus 2 by y. Here, this part we can take. 2 by y, we can write as 2 into y power minus 1. But in this, that variable have negative power. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Then what about the fifth question? 5 root x plus x root 5. Root x we can write as x power 1 by 2. Here variable power not an integer. So it is also not a polynomial. It is also not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Just expression, not a polynomial. Then move to sixth question. X power 100 plus y power 100. This one you take as homework. Whether it is polynomial or not. If polynomial, it is in one variable or two variables, you have to write. Students, in 2.1, third bit, we have 8 questions. So from these 8 questions, I explained only 4 questions. So remaining 4 you have to take as homework. What about the first question? X cube plus x plus 1. I need the coefficient of x cube. Here, beside of coefficient of x cube we can write as 1. So in this problem, in this polynomial, coefficient of x cube is 1. So similar. What about the second question? 2 minus x cube plus x square. Here, coefficient of x cube is minus 1. So similarly move to fourth question. What is the fourth question? Pi by 2 x cube plus x. So here coefficient of x cube is pi by 2. Now move to seventh question. What about the seventh question? 2x square plus 5. So in this x cube term not there. In this x cube term not there. So I am writing like this. I am writing 0 into x cube. So here coefficient of x cube is 0. Is equal to 0. Why? Because in given polynomial x cube term not there. So we can take as 0. Why? Because x cube we can write as 0 into x cube. Now move to 8th question. Only 4 given. 4 also we can write as 4 into 0 x cube. Here also the coefficient of x cube is 0. So out of the 8 questions I explained 5. So remaining 3 you can take as homework from that bit. In 2.1 exercise 4th bit. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomial. Already we know. What is the linear polynomial? If degree of the polynomial is 1, that is called a linear polynomial. Then what about the quadratic polynomial? If degree of the given polynomial is 2, that is called a quadratic polynomial. Then what about cubic polynomial? If degree of the given polynomial is 3, that is called a cubic polynomial. Here some questions are there. So from the questions you have to separate which one is linear polynomial, which one is cubic polynomial, which one is quadratic polynomial. So to divide the polynomials, first you have to look at degree. If you know the degree, you can classify the polynomials. So in this, what is the first question here? 5x square plus x minus 7. Degree of this polynomial, what is the degree here? Degree is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the degree of the given polynomial is 2. So that is called a quadratic polynomial. Then what about the second question? X minus x cube. What is the degree here? Degree is equal to 3. So that is cubic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. Now move to sixth question. Pi r square. So here r is the variable. Here r is the variable. What is the degree? Degree is 2. So this is, what is the polynomial here? Quadratic polynomial. Next move to fourth question. What is the fourth question? X minus 1. X minus 1. Here what is the variable? X. What is the power here? 1 is the power. So degree. This degree of that polynomial is 1. So it is called a linear polynomial. This is example 2. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So guys, out of 7 questions I explained 4. So remaining 3 you have to complete in your classworks.